Welcome friends. In today's digital solution tutorial, we shall learn about creating communities in WhatsApp. What exactly the community means? It means organizing related groups and send us announcements. I will try to explain you here. Let us say you have a group school 1 contains 50 participants and another group school 2 contains 100 participants. Now you can create one community where you can add school 1 and school 2 groups. Now your community contains 150 participants because you have a group school 1 with 50 participants and school 2 with 100 participants. Now you want to announce in your community, then it will reach to all the participants in the group. This is how you can overcome the limitation of participants in the group. Now we will try to learn how to create community. Now please go to WhatsApp, tap on it. Now you check community icon is appearing on left corner of the screen. Now you can see there is a community icon. If it is not appearing, please go to Play Store, tap on it, and type WhatsApp in search. If you find any update icon in this screen against WhatsApp, please tap on it. Then the system will update the WhatsApp. In my mobile, this icon is not appearing. It means the latest version of WhatsApp is already loaded. So the update icon is not appearing here. Now you simply tap on open icon. Then the WhatsApp takes to you the next screen. Here you can see different tabs are available here: community, chats, status, calls. And now you select community tab and tap on it. Then the system will take you to introducing communities feature. Here you can create your new community. Now tap on start your community icon. Now system will prompt you photo for your community, name for your community, and a description. Now you can do all these three things. If you want to add new photo for your community, you can tap on photo icon. Now you can select from your gallery or camera. Now I am selecting from gallery or camera and take a photograph of it and tap on OK button. Now you can customize it and tap on done. Now photo is selected for your community. Now enter your community name. Now I am entering as school is my community name. And you can also add some description for your community. Here I am adding my school batch. This is my school community description. Now you tap on arrow button. A new community is created for you here. Now you can create a new group or add existing group. Now I am adding the existing group. Tap on it. Then all the groups will appear here. Now you can select the groups you want to add to your community. Now I am selecting both school 1 and school 2. And both the groups I am adding to my community. Now you tap on arrow button. A community is created for you with School 1 and School 2 as subgroups. Now tap on tick icon. A new community is going to get created for you. This is how you can create your new community. Now tap on your school community. Now here you start chatting with your group. If you type here and send, this message will be sent to all the participants in both the groups. This is how you can announce your messages through your community. This is how you can create your community. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, family members and colleagues. Thank you. Friends, my next video will be on how to deactivate the community you have created now. This video will be loaded very shortly. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.